Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.3, Problem 13. This is Section 1.3, Problem 13. It says find the perimeter of the figure. And our figure looks kind of like the cross-section of a house. It's 4 feet across the base, 4 feet on the left side, 4 feet on the right side, and then each half of the, you can think of it as the roof, is 3 feet. So the perimeter, the distance around, I will add those numbers together. 4 feet plus 3 feet plus 3 feet plus 4 feet plus 4 feet. So, and you can start anyway. Let's start with this one. So I am going to add 3 plus another 3 plus 4 plus 4 on the bottom plus 4 on the left edge. And we will add these together. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. So the answer is 18. And in a problem like this, you want to notice the units of measure. It's in the given information. It's in feet. So my answer of 18 really means 18 feet. So the perimeter, or distance around this shape, is 18 feet.